how to buy, sell and swap gift card. Do you have a gift card you cannot use to, or you having trouble finding a specific card to purchase? You have received a gift card as a present that you cannot use the cannot return, or maybe there's a specific gift card you want to buy but can find other way. You can turn to website that allow you to buy, sell and swap gift card. You can even purchase specific gift card at a disconnect. Here's how to get started. First off, make sure you read the FAQ for any gift card site you use, because the card you purchase are pre-owned by other people. You could potentially find that a card does not contain the promised balance. Most gift card sites offer a money back guarantee if you run into the problem, but that guarantee may have a certain expiration date. For that reason, try to use any purchased gift card as soon as possible after receiving it, to ensure that the money you paid is refunded in the event of an improper balance. Some gift card sites start off legitimately and reliably, but then go downhill. For that reason, you will want to perform due before you try to use a particular site. Run as web search for customer reviews for the gift card site you want to use. These can highlight any problems that other people have had with that site. Next, check the Better Business rating for the gift card site. Pay attention not just to the comment from consumer, but to any responses from the vendor to those comment. Several sites have received of consumer complaints based on these response. Some of the vendors have tried to resolve these complaint, while others seem. You will want to stick with these that have granted more positive feedback from user. Further, you may want to test the water on a specific site by starting out with a small gift card purchase, maybe to see if the process run without any hits. If all guys smoothly, then you can try for a larger purchase or attempt to sell one your own gift card at Rise. You can buy a gift card by browsing the available stock and sorting through your option. The site allow you to choose between receiving a card by mail and getting is select the card and amount you want to purchase at the shopping cart. Click the proceed to checkout button. You are asked to create an account at the site, which you confirm via email. You then pay the credit card. To sell a gift card on Rise, click the sell link at the top of the home page. Enter the name of the retailer and click the get started button. At the next page, type the number and PIN for the card along with the amount. The site tell you how much money your card will fetch. Click the continue listing button to list the card for sale. If it sells, you receive your money through directly deposit into a bank account through a check or through PayPal. To buy a card at a clipboard, click buy gift card. Browse the website database or search for a specific card and click the one you wish to buy.